Hi lovelies! So we're just doing a quick 5-minute tutorial on a sea glass effect. So I am using Teal Twist from Madam Glam. Oh, it is the most gorgeous cat eye ever because it's obviously my colour, being teal, turquoise, teal, anything. I'm like, ooh! But yeah, it is beautiful. So sea glass is really quite easy to achieve. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your cat eye polish, um, and then literally just faff about with it. Literally, like, honestly, I don't stop faffing for ages. Like, just just faff, 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 faff until you sort of get the desired. I don't think it really matters what. Um, you just need a good sort of zhuzhing up of it, and then all you're going to do is use um, a matte top coat. Literally, that is all it takes to do that sort of sea glassy effect. And then we're going to do some like 3D little um, water droplets on them as well. So yeah, this is the first time using that chrome, that anti-chrome top coat from Sissy, and it is pretty good, I must say. So on this nail we're going to use builder gel to, like clear builder gel to do the 3D little raindrops. And then on the next one we're going to see what it's like just using like a normal top coat. So then you can see which one you like better. So I'm literally just going to pop it on there. Literally just using the brush. I do faff about with it with another little brush. Just, you just get your desired effect, that's all, don't you? So we're just doing 3 little raindrops. But look, like, it looks so much like sea glass. I love it. I'm wearing these two that I've created today as part of my Pokemon nail set. If you want to go have a look on Instagram, they are currently featured. Yeah, so I'm just faffing a little bit. So what I would say is the builder gel obviously gives it more of a 3D effect, whereas as you'll see in a minute, we're doing the exact same thing again, literally just blah 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 blah. Cat eye gel, matte top coat, blah blah blah. But yeah, you'll see in a minute that, like, although it does sort of look the same with just like a no wipe top coat with the raindrops, it's not like 3D or anything. Now I wanted to make this one slightly more green, although I don't think it really did anything with this Magpie Beauty one because it was practically the same colour anyway. But whatever, I thought I'd give it a go. Yeah, then we're just going to use the matte top coat and a no wipe top coat for the little raindrops. So yeah, I'll let you watch. I hope everyone's doing alright. I've been trying to make some more videos. Life has just been so crazy at the minute. Like, just mental, really. Having a 2-year-old is not for the weak. I will say that. Oh, just look. It looks like, I love cat eye, but like I actually really love it with a matte top coat. Like, it just looks even more velvet than it does with shiny. I don't know. Let me know if you agree in the comments anyway. So yeah, this is just the normal no white top coat, just doing the little droplets. So they look the same, but like if you want that 3D effect on your nail, sometimes I like to feel it, then I would use just a clear builder gel. So there we have the 2 nails. That is the no wipe top coat. you can see it's not really 3D there, and this is the builder gel, that one on the right there, so you can see that it's got the 3D effect there. So it just depends what you want, really. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope it was instructive and you think they're pretty. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.